Welcome to another installment of Employee Termination Tips. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal. And in this particular video, we're going to be talking about what you should be doing when you go into the employer meeting that is potentially going to result in your termination. And especially when you're in a larger company, massive layoffs are potentially coming downwind. One of the things that you want to be able to do is when you sit down with them, you should ask for the representative to provide you with a complete copy of your employee record and a complete copy of all your employee pay statements, all your employee contracts, all documents related to your employment. They might not be able to provide it then and there, but what you can then ask for them to do is to provide them to you at a personal email, since you're probably going to be losing your company email. So you want to say, here's my personal email address. Please email it to me if you cannot provide it to me right now, as you unfortunately walk me out the door. On top of that, you should ask for their personal business card with their email address and contact information, or the person to whom you're supposed to be speaking with. And right after the meeting, if you still have access to emails, or they might sometimes take away your phone that you only have, what you want to do is send a reminder to them as to saying, pursuant to our meeting just now, please provide me with my full employment record, all my employment materials, employment contracts, pay statements, because I'm not sure if we're going to have access to them. You're legally entitled to this information, and you should be obtaining it. And if they're not obtaining it, you do want to have a record of it, because it can prove very problematic for the employer. And all you're doing is being proactive. So take these proactive steps where you know there's a potential for you to be part of a massive layoff. So know ahead of time when you step into that meeting that you obtain your full records, or you request that they provide you records now or shortly after the meeting, and there's something on paper to that effect. If you want more employment tips, we're going to be providing you more on this side and how to effectively deal with these termination situations. Thank you.